culture is defined as the customs, arts, social institutions, and achievements of a particular nation, people, or other social group. Or put more epically, the collective manifestation of human intellectual and creative achievement. And put more stupidly, dank memes. Yes, culture embodies the essence of what makes us truly human. From steam engines to revolutions, from the wheel to the iPod to... The things and traditions humans create and follow make us who we are. But what do I know? I'm just a dumb monkey like everyone else. But this monkey is a curious one. Hi, I'm Cody, and I'm here to get culture. How, you ask? Simple. By yeeting myself across the ocean to the wonderful little nation of Shqipëria, or in English, Albania. But first, let me tell you a little bit about myself and this channel. I was born in the U.S., in a rural part of Michigan, an area where Bring Your Tractor to School Day was an actual thing at my school. I'm a master of technology, a passionate writer, and an all-around gentleman. In reality, I'm an infinitely curious person, and I have a strong, unwavering desire to see the world from new perspectives. I've worn many hats throughout my life in terms of jobs and experiences, from kayak rental places to ice cream shops to copywriter to web design to audio engineering, which I went to college for, and many more. But through all my experiences, good and bad, the thing I always remember the most strongly are the people I've met along the way and observing how they go about their lives and how they pursue what makes them passionate. Here in the United States, we're supposedly a melting pot of cultures. However, Americans in particular seem to know an embarrassingly little amount about the world beyond our borders. Not to mention, some of us outright disrespect other cultures. If we are our cultural hub, why then do certain basic customs in far-off lands seem so alien to us? Furthermore, why do some of us seem so closed off to other ideas from people different from us? You see it on the news every day with continuing increasing racial tensions between the black community and the police, xenophobia at the border, even something as small as unfriending a person on Facebook because of their political opinion. That's where this channel comes in. The purpose of this channel is to spread a message of empathy while exploring new locales, cultures, and people from all walks of life. Silly edits aside, I think empathy is severely lacking these days from American culture, and I hope that through my adventures in other countries, through the eyes of someone who is American, I can shed light on these other ways of living and show that we're not so different people in general. Not all of the videos will follow a set format either. I want to do videos on everything from like what people traditionally think of as cultural, so like the other things as well that don't come to mind immediately, like internet culture. There's a lot of facets I could go with that. So some of my videos may follow a more video essay style with me not necessarily in front of the camera for those, and some of them are going to be more of a me vlogging style, talking to the camera, and a little bit of everything in between. Similar to Tim Urban from Wait But Why, he did a travel series way back when he was in the early days of his blog, and he literally swapped lives with strangers in other countries for a day, and I'd like to do something along those lines, if not swap lives, like live alongside them as sort of like their doppelganger for the day. Their shadow, if you will. But yeah, I've got a lot of ideas for series like that. I even may put some behind-the-scenes stuff eventually on a second channel or something. If you like travel content, stick around, give me some feedback. I'm probably going to look at every single comment on this video, if I'm honest. So yeah, feel free to leave some feedback in the comments below, and if you like the video, drop a like. If you're looking forward to more content in the future, hit the subscribe button. It'd mean a lot. for now, yeah. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.